Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Indian head, local and long-distance movers, near me. Moving to a new place across the globe can be a massacre due to the whole packing and shifting process. Packing your items in separate boxes, shifting your furniture, and carefully packing your glass items can cause a lot of stress. Instead of going through all this, hire a moving company to make this whole process a lot easier. 3 Men and a Truck offers moving services overseas or interstate at reasonable rates. We can fulfill all of your moving needs. You can schedule your move at your convenience. We are always on time and complete the moving process without delays or cancellations. Are you moving just around the corner? Worried how you would lift your belongings all alone? 3 Men and a Truck is here for you. We know how to organize and properly pack all your stuff. We can get you moved in just a few hours. We can do all the heavy lifting for you. A local move also can be overwhelming, and we can do it with ease. All you have to do is sit around and make yourself comfortable at your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Indian head moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.